And finally, Microsoft Excel. When I look back to the history of my YouTube videos, I see most of the views that I get on Flow and Power Automate related videos go to the videos that they are working with Microsoft Excel, no matter what I do with Excel. Always, there is lots of attention to those videos. So I know there is a lot of interest about working with Microsoft Excel, so this section has my special attention. What I'm trying to do in this chapter, I want to introduce you to the features that are there already in Microsoft Excel, and as a Power Automate Flow designer, you can work with them. So basically an introduction to Excel and everything that we can do inside Excel. Then we take it to the next level. We want to create just a basic Power Automate flow that we can fire it from Excel. So basically, instead of creating a trigger form that people enter the content in the Power Automate app or from the web UI, we are creating an Excel sheet that when we push a button on Excel, it captures a record and sends it to Power Automate, and Power Automate will run. So basically, an instant trigger that is fired from inside Excel. Then we go to the most interesting part, which is using Excel as a data storage. So basically, we want to create an Excel sheet. We want to create tables inside it. And from inside Power Automate, we want to read and update these records inside Excel. Let me make it clear. Working with Excel is not the cleanest job that you can do. We have some hiccups that we will learn how to go around it. But a little bit of challenge is the spice of the course. So buckle up, get ready, let's start the work.